Question number 23. Dividing by a decimal number can look scary, but we can make it easy by removing the decimal. We'll multiply both the numbers by 10, and now we simply have to divide 36 by 2. Simple division, 36 divided by 2. You can see how I'm showing you the working, and the answer is 18. Question number 24. Make the divisor a whole number. To solve such questions where both the numbers are decimal numbers, so in case of division, it's better to remove the decimal from the divisor only. So if we have to remove decimal, we'll multiply 0.8 by 10, and same goes for dividend, 0.592 multiplied by 10. And now we have to divide 5.92 by 8. Simple division, ignoring the decimal, but in this case, 5 is smaller than 8, so we have to put a 0 at the top, and then comes the decimal. So 0.87 are 56. We subtract it, and it's 32. 8 fours are 32, so the answer is 0.74. Question number 25, 0.1404 divided by 0.06. As we discussed earlier, we have to remove decimal from the divisor to solve it easily. So if we'll multiply 0.06 by 100 to remove the decimal, we have to multiply the dividend 0.1404 also by 100. And now we have to divide 14.04 by 6, and simple division, 6 twos are 12, and then comes the decimal, and we'll put the decimal in the quotient, and our answer is 2.34. So 0.1404, as you can see, divided by 0.06 is 2.34. Question number 26, 3.24 divided by 0.002. What do we have to do? We have to remove the decimal from the divisor. In this case, we have to multiply it by 1000, and we'll multiply the dividend by 1000 as well. We have to divide 3240 by 2. The answer is, you can check on screen, 1620. Next question, 0.968 divided by 0.11. We need to multiply it by 100, and it's 96.8, and we are going to get the answer. See, this is the answer, 8.8. Next question, 600 divided by 0.5. We have to multiply it by 10 to remove the decimal. 6000 divided by 5 is equal to 1200. In question number 29, the divisor is a whole number, but we will still multiply it by 1000 because we want to solve each question in the easiest way possible. And we have to remove 0.00 from the dividend. Now we'll divide 7 by 4000. We have to put a decimal, and then we have to put two zeros so that we can divide it by 4000, and you can see the division how we are doing it. And the answer is 0.007 divided by 4 is equal to 0.00175. We can directly divide 2640 by 200, or we can first simplify it. We'll cut the zeros from the denominator and the numerator. 264 divided by 20. Now we can divide both the numbers by 4, and we get 66 divided by 5, which now we can divide because we cannot further simplify it. And we get the answer This is done. We have to put a decimal. This is 13.2.